Unong aiktin ka sorkar ubadeiru umentri uba polling do hakashipau trik jiliu. Uloong baka Meghalaya kadon kam ban penklanya kila jingada. Kat ba kadang am ya kajing menjor na ka sorkar pedeng ban pentre kam ya ka inaline permit ILP namar kala bandang kam shimpor. Habak keren saya kila patai kubor uba pol uloong bak ILP kadega mat jingdawa kabadang yai beteng. Bar kadeiru kamat kabakongsan kabala depan scam da ka yendor bar tauan ke jela. Kadang day ka jingdawa kabasyong nongrim bha Henry kabakum gani ka kem ngala ban ong bangi deiru ban penklanyi kila jingada namar ban am ya ka jing menjor jong sorkar pedeng halur ka ILP kala ban dang kham shimpor. Ha ka jing shisha kala shimpor shibun ulaong. Haba penpau bana kalyang ka sorkar kanang penklan bat penthama ya ka standard operating procedure SOP na ka benta kila jingada baka jingshingan jungi nongshong shnong bat ki nongwan shangkai sya ka jela uba pol uba kami ru ya ka tourism ulaong ngidon ru ya ka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act MRSSA ya ka badan kam ban penklan shu. Ka jingdawa ban pentre kam ya ka ILP kala nangjor ha ka jela kam tam hadin ka jing so ha ka bayade ka jing token halur ka jing jia sya penyap unong indur ubawan shangkai sngobha syakathan sora. Katkum ka jing penpau da ki seng bhalang ki bayalam khamat ya ka jingdawa ka ILP ka longkum ka jing hanglat ka baklanya ki briu ki bawan syakan ka jela da ki jing temu bande ya ki kam pentrim.
That has been an ongoing demand, and it is also one major issue that has already been endorsed by the State Assembly. So it's still a relevant demand, and at this stage, I can only say that we should also strengthen our security mechanism because waiting for clearance of the center on the ILP might take more time. It has already taken a lot of time. So, but meanwhile, as I said, we are upgrading and revising our SOPs, and also we have the MRSSA, which needs to be strengthened.